In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually control caching for a page in Wix. We'll walk through how to find the right settings inside your Wix editor so you can choose exactly how often a specific page's cache is reset. This is especially helpful if you have pages that change frequently, like a blog, a store page with updated prices, or a promotions page, and you want visitors to always see relatively fresh content. First, log into your Wix account and go to your site's dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Setup tab. At the top right of that area, you'll see the Edit Site button. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page with the Wix site editor for the site you want to work on. Give it a moment to load fully so all the tools are visible. Once you're inside the editor, shift your attention to the left-hand toolbar. Here, find and click the Pages and Menu icon. This is where all the pages on your site are listed and organized. Make sure you're on the Site Menu tab, not a different section, so you can see your main site pages. From this list, find the specific page for which you want to manually control caching. When you hover your mouse over that page name, a small More Options icon will appear on the right side of the page row. Click this More Options icon and then choose Settings from the menu that appears. A new panel will open on the right side of your screen with all the settings for that particular page. In this panel, make sure you're on the Page Info tab. Scroll if needed until you see the option called Manually Control Caching for this page. Next to this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Turn this toggle on. As soon as you enable it, an additional field will appear below, allowing you to set how often you want the cache for this page to be reset. Click the drop-down field and you'll see several options. Every hour, every 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours and Y days, maximum time, or never. Choose the option that best matches how often the content on that page changes and how up-to-date you need it to be. For example, a frequently updated page might use every hour, while a mostly static page can use 24 hours or longer. Once you've selected your preferred caching interval, your settings are saved automatically in the editor. That's it. Your page now has manual caching control applied.